Hi Whiskers, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be trying a product that I think will personally help us and our cats get a better eating schedule and a better eating experience. Per usual, please subscribe to our channel if it's not already done. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it or if you found it useful. And click that notification bell to be part of our notification squad. So without further ado, let's get into this product review. So I usually feed my cat in a bowl. Just a normal bowl where we can put his food in, his little kibble. Yeah! But before we went into isolation, of course, because of COVID-19, we had some problems feeding my cat because my work schedule wasn't always the same. So feeding him his breakfast and his dinner sometimes became a little bit more complicated. But when I am not at home, it is peculiar because you're always afraid, oh well, my cat's not eating, I have to go back home, or my cat didn't eat yet, I have to go back home to feed them. Well, I think I maybe found the solution. A brand by the name of Wopet got into contact with us and showed us their line of products. And in that line of products, they sent one peculiar product. The product I am talking about is the automatic pet feeder. It says here that it can hold up to 7 pounds of dry food. It is an accurate portion control. So if you have a little bit of difficulty controlling the portions that you're giving to your cat, maybe it's to feed them at the same time that you give them their meds, maybe they need to lose weight, it would be perfect for you. Voice record, play at the programmed meal time, so you can record your voice when the meal is given by the machine. So let's open it. So let's see what's in it. Whoa, what is that? So it comes like this. There's protection paper all around. I don't know how to... Okay, and you... Oh, okay. So you press on this button right here to open the lid. So there's this little kind of tray. There's the USB cable. There's that kind of thing. And you have the instruction manual. You guys know that I'm very lazy, so I'm really glad that this is easy to set up. Hi! I'm assembling your new automatic pet feeder. So you're gonna take the central piece and add underneath just the little black tray. You just slide it underneath. You're gonna hear a click. Yeah, it's a power adapter. And you're going to take it out. Here it is. So the power adapter cord, I thought it would be like, you know, kind of short, but I was wrong. You are then going to plug the USB key into the USB port. Once you have plugged it into the wall, you should start to see some numbers right here. Are you playing? Are you playing with the instructions? Ooh, oh, oh, he found something. Oh, 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 this is so much fun. Excited? Are you excited for your pet feeder? Wow! So it now says to set it to the current time. So it is currently 6:38 in the afternoon in Canada. So let's set that time. Whiskey, I swear to God, can you please stop? Whiskey, mommy is trying to do something here. Can you not play with the plastic bag for once? So to set the time, you have to press on time and hour at the same time. And you go up to the hour you need. Okay. So it is now 6:41. Good, perfect. So if you want to set a time for breakfast, is to press breakfast and on at the same time and press. And here it's going to be written on. So the breakfast is on. He doesn't have lunch, but he does have dinner. And when I press on breakfast, you can see the time that he usually takes his breakfast, around 10 a.m. And he eats his dinner on. As you see, it's flashing. And now let's set the dinner time. He usually eats at 6:30, so that would be perfect. Okay, so for the voice, so press for 3 seconds on the mic button. It's going to flash. Whiskey! Viens manger, Whiskey! Yeah, I know, I'm talking to you! Whiskey! Viens manger, Whiskey! That's nice. That's so cool. So when he's going to want to eat, he's going to hear this. Okay, so let's see his reaction when he hears my voice. That's you. Yeah, that's for you, honey. That's a message that Mommy recorded. Every time you'll eat, you'll hear that message. Lucky you. Yeah. So, what is in there? There's nothing in there yet. I didn't put the food in. Oh, you like your new machine? You like your new machine? This container goes right here inside. So now it is perfectly installed. So when you clean it or anything, you have some spare parts to continue. But the base should never be submerged in water. But this and this are washable. This being this right here. This being this right here. When you need to wash it. So to wash it, it's pretty simple. Hand clean with soft cloth and hand dry. Base unit should never be submerged in water at any time. That will damage electronic components and void the warranty. So you have a good warranty on this. You can wash this and this, but never the big motherboard right here. So let's fill it up with Whiskey's food. Okay, so the food is in the container. So I did set up a test run for 6:59 p.m. Whiskey. Supposed to give out food. And that's one portion. Obviously, it's not enough for Whiskey. I adjusted the portion to 5 servings. I just want to see how much comes out. What is that? It's food. Okay. And if we transfer... So 5 portions are enough for Whiskey because it fills his bowl. That's your new food bowl. Isn't it nice? It's a success. Are you hiding? So thank you again to the Wopet company for sending us this. It will help us a lot on a daily basis when Mommy is at work or when Daddy's not there. He can still eat. Oh. What? You can't just tap on it for it to give you more food. You have food. He's just like, give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Don't be shy, put some more. I think it is really great because even if I am not home, it feels like a special experience because he hears my voice. So it's real-time talk. It's a healthy management product. It has accurate feeding and timing quantitation. So that means that you can just... Whiskey. So that means that you can actually decide when you feed your cat, how much you feed your cat. I decided to set it on 5 portions because that's the equivalent of what I gave him in his bowl. This machine will be able to get your pet on a schedule, on an eating schedule, and sometimes it's hard, you know, because you can be doing something, you can not be home, you can be in a restaurant and not be there when it's time for them to eat, but with this, they'll always have food no matter if you're at home or not. Of course, the container has to be filled. It stocks up to 7 pounds of dry food at a time, so you should be good. We took a whole bag of dry food and it fit in this, and it just takes a lot off of your mind. When you're not home, you're stressed, you're stuck in traffic, oh my god, I have to feed my cat. Well, this machine will do it for you. No more stress. And you can also get this for your dog, for your cat. It's really pet friendly, and it's also lazy person friendly because I am a very lazy person. I've told so many times in many of my videos before, and this was super easy to install and to start. The instructions are very clear. We're really glad that Wopet sent us this because this is a lifesaver. This product is officially Whiskey and Sophie approved. So thank you for watching yet again another one of our videos. And we are very thankful to the brand Wopet for sending us this amazing product. And of course, this product will be linked down below with all of the information you need to purchase it for your furry friend. Per usual, please subscribe to this channel if it's not already done. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and ring that notification bell to be part of our notification squad. And on this, you guys, you know the drill. We'll leave you on a special message from Whiskey.